to 152 Josephine Street, the Center Employment and Learning, for a kitchen fire alarm. Again, that's 152 Josephine Street for a kitchen fire alarm at the Center Employment and Learning. Attention North Huron Wingham Station, please respond 152 Josephine Street between David and Victoria Street West. You're responding to a Center Employment and Learning for a kitchen fire alarm. Again at 152 Josephine Street. It's March 14th, 12:08:29.
Fire dispatch, car 1.
Go ahead, car 1.
Page acknowledged for the Wingham Station.
Roger, page acknowledged, 12:09.
Fire dispatch, car 1.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, I'm in the area. I'll be stopping at 152 Josephine Street.
Roger that, car 1, you're in the area. You're going to be on scene at 152 Josephine.
Fire dispatch, call tank 9.
Go ahead, tank 9.
You can show tank 9 responding, Alpha, Charlie +3.
Roger, tank 9 responding, Alpha Charlie +3. 12:12:14.
Fire dispatch, ladder 2. Responding, Bravo +1 Belton.
Roger, ladder 2, you're responding, Bravo +2. Sorry, Bravo +1, 12:12.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 9 arriving scene, nothing showing. Alpha B command will be mobile.
Roger, tank 9 on scene, nothing showing. Alpha command mobile. 12:13.
Fire dispatch, ladder 2 is on scene.
Roger that, ladder 2, you're on scene at 12:13.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
Go ahead.
You can show 360 in progress.
Roger, 360 in progress at 12:14.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show I've made contact with staff on site. A cooking issue. We'll just take the multi-gas and the thermal imaging camera in for a sweep.
Roger that. Contact me with staff. Cooking issue. You're going to be taking the thermal imaging camera and the gas monitor to just confirm everything's fine. 12:16:05.
Command call, enter team 1.
Go ahead, enter team 1.
You can show entry team 1 entering the structure Alpha side and just completing a sweep up the building, heading up to floor 2.
Roger that, enter team 1 entering Alpha side, sweep on floor 2.
Dispatch to mark car 1, clear the scene.
Roger, clear the scene at 12:17.
Command call, enter team 1.
Go ahead, entry 1, this command.
We've located the kitchen and it looks like the toaster oven has set off the alarms.
Roger that, located the kitchen. Appears to be a toaster oven.
Alpha 41.
Go ahead, 41, this command.
this hose down so we can keep traffic flowing straight through then.
Yeah, roger that. Break it down.
Command, call Bravo.
Go ahead, Bravo.
Yeah, we can confirm it was the toaster oven. We're just doing a quick air quality here. We'll get it here in a minute.
Roger that. Thank you.
Command, call entry team 1.
Go ahead, entry 1.
You can show entry 1 exiting the building Alpha side with Bravo.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
Go ahead.
You can show we have sourced this to a cooking issue. All air quality and thermal imaging checks came back clear. Command will be terminated and all trucks will be clearing the scene, returning to Wingham Station.
That's Roger. Sources to a cooking issue. Air quality and thermal check complete. All trucks are clear. Returning to station. It's 12:30:31.
Fire dispatch, call tank 9.
Go ahead. Tank 9, if you're calling, go ahead.
You can show all trucks back at the Wingham Station. Can you clear off this call, please?
Roger that, you're back in service. 12:36:13.